Gaming session at risk because of the Djcu module DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'll show you the engineering grade steps to fix your installation. Before starting the manual troubleshooting for Djcu module, you can find a diagnostic tool for a thorough environment check. This is the Djcu module, a localized utility library used by game emulators like Dolphin or specialized DJ software to manage high-precision audio buffering and controller polling. Missing Djcu.dll leads to stuttering audio or controller input polling failed errors during intense gameplay or mixing sessions. Now that you're up to speed on the files role, let's begin the repair process. Djcu is a restricted library bundled with the localized application logic engine, and the most reliable recovery method is to run the setup for the host program, giving the error to refresh the internal files. If a standard reinstallation doesn't restore the library, we need to verify if the system environment is properly recognizing the new components. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the Djcu module component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. Restart unsuccessful, no problem. Let's jump straight into step 3. Remember to pause the video if you need to double-check your inputs. Sometimes a simple restart isn't enough for broken runtimes. Follow these steps to refresh the redistributable files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before you wrap up the repair, let's ensure you're following the safest path for your system. Don't let a small error become a total system rebuild by trying to force install Djcu module DLL into directories where it doesn't belong. Rather than managing individual dependencies, a comprehensive diagnostic can help you maintain the entire software environment. If boot alerts or library warnings persist, the official diagnostic kit below provides general guidance on Djcu module. By subscribing, you're ensuring that the next time you encounter Djcu module critical error, you'll have a trusted expert ready to help.